Hello friends, today we are going to see how to make a solar LED light, charger LED light. For that I will be using one LED. This I have made my own circuit design. All the LEDs are connected parallelly. This LED light can glow from 3 volt to 6 volt. This can resist up to 6 volt. I have used a 6 volt battery 4.5 Ah. This is a lead acid battery. For charging I will be using only one diode. The diode I have connected to the positive end. This I will be connecting to a solar panel. This solar panel is manufactured by BPL. The maximum peak voltage is 7.5 volt. It provides 1.3 watts. I paid around 150 rupees for this panel. This I will be connecting to the positive side of the solar panel and the negative comes here. I'll solder this now. I have soldered it. We'll just check the voltage. So this is the positive end. With low sunlight it is generating 1.38 volts. Let me turn the panel. It is 3.63 volts. When it is exposed to sun, it generates around 8 volts. So this panel I will be fixing it here somewhere in the corner like this. This goes inside. Let me turn this on. There is a little charge in the battery. This may take around 6 to 7 hours to charge completely. This is the circuit used for this solar charging light. The solar panel is this 7.5 volt 1.3 watts. I have used one diode to avoid reverse current. The diode is here. The diode used is IN4007. The marking should come towards the battery side. The minus is connected directly to the battery and the LED. The plus goes to a switch here and then gets connected to the LED. The battery used is 6 volt 4.5 amperes. So I'll connect this, I'll fix the panel now. LED cabinet. This cabinet has only 2 screws. Using a Phillips screwdriver you can fix it. This cabinet I purchased from a local factory. They make LED cabinets and battery boxes. The cost of this cabinet is 80 rupees. And they provide switch and charger pin also. Something like this. So it is fixed now. Now let us keep this charger light in the sun. Observe whether it is getting charged. I'll show you the results after getting charged. I was trying to fix the solar panel to the cabinet, but there is a space in the back side. This space has to be filled or the panel will not be fixed for a long time. It may come out. So I am using a bangle box, white box, to fill this space, and it can also hold the solar panel. I'll be using hot glue to fix this. I've kept it for charging now. It is getting charged. There is no indicator in this for charging. We will see the results after getting charged. The solar LED light is completely charged now. The emergency light is charged. It took almost 3 hours to charge this. We'll test it now. So this is the brightness. This is in the dark light. It is completely visible. We can almost read it with this light. This can be used as reading light also. As we have completed the LED chargeable light, this light, I will be briefing about the materials used to make the chargeable light. Solar panel, it costed around 150 rupees. I have used a 7.5 volt panel. You can even buy a less volt panel, but it should be greater than 6 volt because the battery we are using here is 6 volt. Next is the PCB, LED PCB. This is a 19 LED PCB connected parallelly. This will be the input to the PCB. The cost of this PCB is 3 rupees. LEDs used are 19 LEDs. I have used 3 mm LED. The cost of this LED is 1 rupee. You can use even a bigger size LED, 5 mm The LED panel cabinet, this is the cabinet. This costed 80 rupees. Battery is 6 volt, 4.5 Ah battery. So total cost will come around 400 rupees to make this LED. You can easily make one like this. It will be very useful, and it is also user friendly. Thank you friends. Subscribe for more videos.